Discover the best cheap drones that deliver amazing value without breaking the bank. These budget-friendly quadcopters are designed for beginners and hobbyists, offering features like HD or 4K cameras, foldable designs, Wi-Fi FPV transmission, and easy-to-use flight controls. Number 1. VIVO AE7 VR Drone. The VIVO AE7 VR Drone is a high-performance quadcopter equipped with a 4K HD camera, VR compatibility, and intelligent flight modes. With features like gesture control, GPS positioning, and obstacle avoidance, it's designed for stable aerial photography and immersive flying experiences. Number 2. E99Pro RC Drone. The E99Pro RC Drone is a foldable quadcopter designed for easy portability and high-quality aerial photography. Equipped with a 4K HD dual camera and Wi-Fi FPV transmission, it lets you capture stunning photos and videos in real time. With features like altitude hold, gesture control, headless mode, and one-key return, this drone is beginner-friendly while still offering advanced functionality. Its sleek design and stable flight make it perfect for both casual flying and creative shooting. Number 3. D16 Drone. The D16 drone combines a sleek foldable design with advanced flight features, making it ideal for both beginners and enthusiasts. Equipped with a 4K HD dual camera and real-time Wi-Fi transmission, it delivers clear aerial photos and smooth video. Intelligent modes like altitude hold, headless mode, gesture control, and one-key return ensure stable and easy operation. Compact yet powerful, the D16 drone is built for fun flying and capturing creative moments from above. Number 4. AE7 Drone. The AE7 Drone is a versatile quadcopter designed for smooth flying and stunning aerial photography. Featuring a 4K HD dual camera with Wi-Fi FPV transmission, it lets you capture clear photos and videos from unique perspectives. With intelligent functions such as altitude hold, headless mode, gesture control, and one-key return, it offers both stability and ease of use. Its foldable design makes it portable and convenient, perfect for beginners and hobbyists looking to explore the skies. Number 5. SG-101 Max 4K Drone. The SG-101 Max 4K drone is built for high-quality aerial photography and easy control, making it a great choice for both beginners and enthusiasts. Equipped with a 4K HD dual camera and Wi-Fi FPV transmission, it captures sharp photos and smooth videos in real time. Intelligent flight features like GPS positioning, altitude hold, headless mode, gesture control, and one-key return provide stability and convenience. Its foldable, portable design ensures you can take it anywhere, making the SG-101 Max perfect for creative flying and immersive shooting experiences.